How to operate automatic ethanol fire. Keep pressing button 3 seconds to cancel child lock. Press button and open the tank door immediately. Press to fill ethanol into the tank. When tank is full, injection stops automatically. If no use, drain out all ethanol from the tank. Press that button to drain cut ethanol. Press button to start the fireplace. Pre button to set working time.